Okay, okay, students, we will test tomorrow. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to free online coaching for MJP set and also Polycet. So now I would like to invite Gayatri Madam to start the session.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you, students? Hope you all are doing well. So today's session, we start with English. What is that we are doing is fill in the blanks with suitable words. All right? Yes. Fine. So you can see in the board, the directions is given. So based on those sentences, the questions will be asked and you need to answer the questions. All right? Yes. So in these questions, sentences are given with blanks to be filled in with an appropriate words. So 4 alternatives are suggested for each question. All right. So you have to choose the alternative out of the 4 alternatives. So you have to choose the correct or the best alternative out of the given 4 alternatives. All right. Yes. So the company let me dash time of work. So 4 options are given. Is it take or is it taking or is it to take or is it took? Right. So being the first question, we'll do it for you. It is take. The company let me take time. The company let me take time off work. All right, students? All right. See the next one. I assume dash with me. What is it? I assume dash with me. I assume, is it everyone agreeing with me? Or is it I assume that everyone agrees with me? Or is it that I assume everyone to agree with me? Or I assume that everyone to agree. All right. So quickly think over this and give me the answer. Let me see the chat box. Just a second. Yeah. All right. So the answers are coming. Gayatri says 1, Hanish says 4, but majority is 4. Is it so? Let's see. It is 2. I assume that everyone agrees with me. All right. All right. See the next question. The rainforest, dash the rainforest is very important if we do not want the flora and fauna found there to become extinct. All right. Yes. So is it reserving? Is it destroying? Is it preserving? Or is it maintaining? Is it clear? The question is very simple. Dash the rainforest is very important. So we need to protect. I'm giving you a clue. Based on this, give me the answer quickly. Let me see how many are giving me the correct answer. Preserving. Okay. All right. Good. Perfect. Almost all are giving me the correct answer as preserve. Yes, we need to preserve, isn't it? Only when we preserve the rainforest, right? Then only we can see all this. If we do not want this flora and fauna found there to become extinct. All right, see the next one. I haven't had dash opportunity to study during the day. So I haven't had. Is it very opportunity? Is it many opportunity? Is it much opportunity? Or is it more opportunity? Very simple and routine day-to-day use sentence. So quickly think over it and give me the answer. What should be the correct answer? Just give me the number alone. Let me see. Navneet, check your answer. Gayatri, check your answer. No, please read the sentence by yourself. Then you will be able to find out which is the correct suitable word. Is it clear? If you have any confusion, just read the sentence. Put the word in that particular blank and then read the sentence and then find out whether the sentence looks correct. All right. So the answer here is much. I haven't had much opportunity to study during the day. All right. So when will you hand dash your assignment? When will you hand dash? Is it in? Is it back? Is it down? Is it into? Yes. So quickly give me your answer. Let me see. All right. Option 3, no. Gayatri, you're on. Please check your answer. So, if we say it is back, when will you hand back your assignment means it is you are returning it to the owner, right? So, down is to leave something to someone. All right. So, let's see here. When will you hand in your assignments? All right. So, hand back is to return to the owner. So, hand back means you have to give me back. Whatever I have given you, I need it back. All right. But this one could be the teacher asking the student, when will you give me your assignment? All right. So, when will you hand in your assignment? So, hand down means to leave something to someone younger. All right. See the next one. The resort is dash the lake. Is it from the lake, has the lake, besides the lake, or beside the lake? Yes, students. So quickly think over it and then give me your answer. Let's see how many are going to give me the correct answer. All right. Yes, almost all are giving me option 4. Sharan, Sai Vardhan, Navneet, Swapna, Gayatri, almost all. I'm sorry, I'm not able to read the names. The names are literally running and everybody's giving me the answer. It is perfect. Beside the lake. Yes, right. See the next question. The monitor takes care, dash the class, dash the absence of the teacher. Who's a monitor? A monitor is supposed to be the class leader, isn't it? All right. So the monitor takes care, dash the class, dash the absence of the teacher. So now you will be able to quickly give me the answer. Just break the sentence into two, make the first answer, then the second one. Then you will be able to guess the correct answer. All right, let me see how many are going to give me. Yes, almost all are giving me the correct answer. Perfect. Pranati, Gayatri, Reshma, Pavani, check your answer. Shalini, check your answer. Other than them all, yes, Sharan, all right, you're right. All others, Navneet, you're right. All right. So those who are making mistakes, this is the platform where you learn. All right. So we should learn from our mistakes. All right. See. All right. It is off and in. How? The monitor takes care of the class in the absence of the teacher. All right. Yes. Excellent to those who have given me the right answer and those who have gone wrong, please learn. All right. Correct your mistakes. All right. See the next question. When he saw the fish swimming, dash the river, he was extremely happy. All right. So when he saw the fish swimming, dash the river. So that's more important. Is it on the river, besides the river, in the river, at the river? There should be only one option. No two ways about it. Let's see how many are giving me the answer. Oh my God. Almost all are giving me the correct answer. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Fine. Good, good, good. Yes, I'm very happy. You all have understood this. When he saw the fish swimming in the river. All right. Yes. See the next question. The convict tried his level best to justify himself, but the judge looked, dash him, and found him guilty. So if it is looked, it should be that word only. What is that? All right. Is it around him, or looked at him, or looked through him, or looked to him? Okay. So very simple answer. Yes. Almost all are giving me Banu, Triya, Sharan, Navneet. Yes. Vijay. Excellent. Perfect. So looked at him. Correct. See the next question. Good. He was born dash India. He was born of India. He was born in India. He was born of India, or he was born through India. Right? Again, this is a very easy answer. So let me not go through the names. It is he was born in India. All right. See the next question. The youth should believe dash God. So the youth should believe upon God. The youth should believe in God. The youth should believe on God, or the youth should believe of God. All right. So give me your answers. The youth should believe dash God. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Gayatri, you're right. Navneet, check your answer. It's a very simple one. Why you're all making mistakes? Shalini, Pavani, Sankitana, you're right. No, it is not upon Meenakshi. Yes, you're right, Riya. Monica, check your answer. So the youth should believe in God. So we often say, isn't it? So please believe in yourself. Like that, we should believe in God. All right. Yes, see the next question. I have been looking for an apartment and I finally found dash one. So it's a very, I can say, a pretty tricky question. Okay. So you should read the sentence, interpret it. Interpret means you should understand it. So I have been looking for an apartment means what? For a long time I'm looking. Why? Because I wanted that to match my requirement. Did you understand? So with this, you will be able to find out the correct option. Let's see how many are giving me the correct answer. Yes, yes, yes. I'm very happy. Almost all. No, Ishwant, Jyoti, check your answer. Sharan, no. All right. It is perfect. How it is perfect? I have been looking for an apartment. What do you mean by I have been looking for an apartment? It means for a long time. Okay, because that the one which I'm looking should suit my requirement. So now I finally found means what did I find? I found something which is perfect. Is it clear? If it is a good apartment, I would have found it long back. If it's a cheap one, I would have found it long back. If it's very airy, then that also is very easy. But something which will suit my requirement should be perfect. All right, students? Yes. Good to those who have given me the right answer. See the next question. A big dictionary dash the table near the door. A big dictionary dash the table. Is it are on the table or is over the table or is on the table or is up the table? Yes, this is also simple. Let me see how many are going to give me the answer. Very quickly, yes. Almost all are giving me option 3. So I don't have to read the names. Everybody is giving me option 3, which is the right one. A big dictionary is on the table near the door. All right, see the next question. Dash Australian and dash European are there among the tourists. So please understand where the vowel has to be used. All right. So let's see how many are giving me the correct answer. Let me see the chat box. Yes, I'm surprised. I thought children will make mistakes. No, perfect. All are giving me option 3 as the right answer. Perfect. Yes, because when it comes to Australian, so A is a vowel, isn't it? So A, E, I, O, U is a vowel. So before the vowel, we should use the letter and. We should use the word and. So an Australian and so European. Okay. So here European should be, though it is written with an vowel, but we spell it not with a vowel. So that is why we use the letter A. All right. Perfect. Excellent. See the next question. See, A is used for words with consonant word. Europe has Y-O-O sound. And is used for words with vowel sound. All right. See the next question. Jane is annoyed. Dash. Is Jane annoyed on me? Jane annoyed with me? Jane annoyed against me? Or Jane annoyed over me? Very simple. Let's see how many are going to give me the answer. Akhilesh, check your answer. Riya, you're right. Swapna, you're right. Gayatri, you're right. Sandhya, check your answer. Sankirtana, check your answer. Reshma, check your answer. So just read the sentence after you fit in the word. Jane is annoyed with me. That's it, isn't it? All right. See. Fine. Yes. Good to those who have given me the right answer. See the next question. The teacher let us dash. The teacher let us to go early. Or the teacher let us to leave early. Or the teacher let us go early. Or the teacher let us early to go. Yes, this is also pretty tricky. So read it once or twice along with your option and then conclude your answer and then give me your answer in the chat box. All right, let's see how many are giving me. Haha, Veda, you're right. you're wrong. Monica, you're wrong. Gayatri, you're right now. All right. So many are giving me different answers. It should be the teacher let us go early. All right. See the next question. The truck was dash when the bus rammed into it. Okay. So four words are there. So is it stationary? Is it missionary? Is it missionary? Or is it stationary? All right. So think over it, because both the missionary has a different meaning and both the stationary has a different meaning. All right. So I'm sure you're going to choose the word stationary, but you need to tell me which stationary you're going to choose. All right. Yes. Let's see which one you're going to choose. Let me see the chat box. Okay. It should be not option one. Yes, Shashank, you're right. Yes, it is stationary. This stationary means your pen, pencil, cartridge, eraser, pen, all that is your stationary. This is stationary. The truck was stationary when the bus rammed into it. Okay. Right. So stationary means not moving, but you will not explicitly say stationary. Okay. You will only pronounce it as stationary only. And this stationary means your book, pencil, eraser, and all that. All right. So let's learn from our mistakes. See the next question. The railway coaches dash by the Integral Coach Factory. What is Integral Coach Factory? ICF. All right, ICF Chennai. So the railway coaches is manufactured by, or the railway coaches are manufactured by, or the railway coaches are manufactured by, or the railway coaches is being manufactured. Is it clear? So give me the correct answer. Let me see how many are going to give me the right answer. Navneet, you're right. Okay. Vijay, check your answer. Taruni, you're right. Akhilesh, you're right. Gayatri, you're right. All right. Different answers. The railway coaches are, it is not one coach. It is many coaches, isn't it? So we should use only plural. All right. Yes, fine. See the next one. So the directions in the following questions, a sentence has been given in direct or indirect speech. Out of the four alternatives suggested, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in indirect or direct speech. In other words, you have to convert either from direct to indirect, or you have to convert from indirect to direct. All right. So nowadays, this direct, indirect sentences are becoming our favorite, isn't it? Because it's becoming much more easy after a good revision that is being done. All right. See the sentence. He said, Ravi, why are you sounding so depressed today? So four options are given. He asked Ravi, why did he sound so depressed that day? Or see the second option. He asked Ravi why he was sounding so depressed that day. Or the third option, he told Ravi why he sounded so depressed today. Or the fourth option, he asked Ravi that why was he sounding so depressed that day. Okay. Let's see how many are going to give me the right answers. Oh, good. Everybody is giving me the right answers, and I'm very happy that everybody is giving me the answer. I'm not able to check whether all are giving me, but those who are not answering, please do answer. All right. Yes, good. Excellent. So the correct answer is the fourth option. He asked Ravi that why was he sounding so depressed that day? Because today will become, it will change when it is converted into indirect to that day. All right. Yes, good. See the next question. He asked me, what time will the sun set tomorrow? Four options are given. First option is he asked me, what time does the sun set the next day? Second option, he asked me what time the sun would set tomorrow. Third option, he asked me what time the sun would set the next day. Fourth option, he asked me what time would the sun set the next day. All right. So read the question, select your answer, read it one to yourself, and then give me the options. All right. Let's see how many are giving me. Gayatri, check. Shalini, you're right. All right. So Pavani, check your answer. Ria, you're right. Okay. All right. Before you answer the students, you need to read the sentence, isn't it? All right. See, the correct option is option 3. He asked me what time the sun would set the next day. So tomorrow will get converted to next day. All right. Yes. Now I hand over it to Arun sir. He has some announcement to be made. All right, students, just stay for a while. Arun sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Hello, students. I'll just take a few minutes of your time. I've got something interesting to show. Students, here we're going to talk about a book. ఇప్పుడు మీరు 10th class అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు you are entering into 11th class, intermediate first year లో. So you'll be dealing with physics in detail, right? So you'll not have physical science together, physics and chemistry together, but you'll have separate books for physics and separate book for chemistry and math and biology, right? So if you're taking up math, physics, chemistry, you'll have separate book for math, physics, and chemistry. Similarly for biology, by PC students, botany and zoology, right? So we are going to talk about a book in physics, book for physics, which is one of the finest books in the world. It's called Principles of Physics, students. Principles of Physics is written by, this is the book, students. Here is the book. This is the book you're going to read in intermediate. We're going to do this book in detail. దీంట్లో చాలా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి, చాలా థియరీ ఉంటుంది, చాలా మ్యాథమెటికల్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి, రియల్ లైఫ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. And the experiments part, the best part, you have a lot of experiments to do, hands-on experiments, and we will demonstrate those experiments when we deal with physics in the intermediate level. This book is so famous since here, students. This book first was published in 1960. This is, since then, it is one of the finest books for physics. For intermediate students, this is one of the finest books in physics, not just in Telangana, India, but all over the world. Since then, it has gone multiple editions. This 10th edition, students. నేను చూపించిన book 10th edition. కానీ అది ఫస్ట్ ఎడిషన్ నుంచి ఇప్పుడు చాలా చేంజెస్ వచ్చాయి, చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ యాడ్ చేశారు, చాలా అప్లికేషన్స్ యాడ్ చేశారు. 1960లో ఫిజిక్స్ అడ్వాన్స్మెంట్స్ ఒక లెవెల్ వరకు ఉండే, మరి 2000లో మరి ఇంకా అడ్వాన్స్మెంట్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్, క్వాంటమ్ మెకానిక్స్, ప్లాస్మా ఫిజిక్స్ అవన్నీ యాడ్ అవుతూ. సో దిస్ ద లేటెస్ట్ ఎడిషన్, స్టూడెంట్స్. అండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిజం చదువుతున్నారు కదా, ఈ బుక్ లో ఎలా ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిజం ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది కొంచెం చూపిస్తారు ఫర్ 2 minutes. Yes, Lahari, this is the physical science book for both MPC and BPC. This is not just physical science book, students, this is for physics. It is only physics కోసం, దీంట్లో కెమిస్ట్రీ ఉండదు. This is only for physics. Yes, Lahari, this is for both MPC and BPC. రైట్ హ్యాండ్ రూల్ మీరు చదివారు, దీంట్లో డీటెయిల్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది, right? This is the right hand rule you would have studied for in magnetism, right? Your thumb, you point the direction of the current of this, and the curled fingers show you the direction of the loop, magnetic field loop, right? Okay, now let's look at this one. This is also you might have seen the loops. Questions చాలా వచ్చాయి, Polycet లో వచ్చాయి, TSRGC లో కూడా recently వచ్చింది. That loops are circular loops around about infinite wire. The loops are circular loops. This is fine. Theoretical treatment, mathematical treatment ఉంటుంది. But look at the experimental part. Here experiment is shown where the magnetic field lines are actually loops. చూడండి, loops form అవుతుంది. This will be demonstrated by us, students. మేము demonstrate చేసి చూపిస్తాము. Yes, Pranati, there are books for maths and chemistry. We will explore that also. But today we are going to talk only about this book. Maths, chemistry books కూడా చూపిస్తాము. All right, wait for that, Pranati. Maths, chemistry కూడా చూపిస్తాము. No, students, physics will be same for BPC and MPC. Question paper pattern different ఉంటుంది, but textbooks are same. Maths, chemistry కూడా discuss చేస్తాము. But look at this for right now. ఈ experiment demonstrate కూడా చేపిస్తాం students మేము. All right. Now let's look at one thing. మీరు F is equal to QBB చదివారు కదా? QB into B sin theta. Say yes or no. Yes, I will. We'll come to that. Yes. ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఫార్ములా అప్లికేషన్ దీంట్లో ఎంత డీటెయిల్ ఉందంటే చూడండి. That electron will go in a circular path అని మీ బుక్ లో ఉంది. But it could go in such a complex path also కూడా ఈ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో చూపిస్తారు. And the best part is, what I'm going to tell you is, ఇప్పుడు మీరు for example, let's say you got some millions of electrons ఉన్నాయి. I have to hold that in space. నేను ఎలా హోల్డ్ చేయాలి? నేను ఒక కంటైనర్ లో అయితే వాటర్ బాటిల్ లో ఓపెన్ చేసి నేను ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ స్టోర్ చేయలేను కదా. How do I hold plasma? Let's say plasma is fourth state of matter, right? Like you've got solid, liquid and gas, you've got fourth state of matter, which is plasma. Plasma ni ఎలా హోల్డ్ చేయాలి? Has got direct application of QBB, students. Gayatri, we will guide you further, don't worry. అది హోల్డ్ చేయడానికి మీ QBB చదివారు కదా. Direct application of QBB is called magnetic bottle. And this is the magnetic bottle, students, on the right side. It's called magnetic bottle. ఆ బాటిల్ లో మీరు ప్లాస్మాని క్యాప్చర్ చేస్తారు స్పేస్ లో. All right, students, look at this. This is not just any other book, students. This is book full of fun experiments, demonstrations, applications, and high-end application, students. This will ignite passion in you. This will inspire you to aspire higher. మీరు ఇంకా చదవాలనుకుంటారు ఈ బుక్ చదివితే, ఫస్ట్ పేజ్ నుంచి లాస్ట్ పేజ్ వరకు చదివితే you will become an almost a physicist. And there is no good student of physics who has not read this book. ఈ బుక్ మీరు చదివితే ఖచ్చితంగా మేము చేపిస్తాము. You will definitely crack IIT and NEET like this. All right. You can even become a scientist. అంత ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యి అంత ప్యాషన్ డెవలప్ అయ్యి సైంటిస్ట్ కూడా అయిపోతారు మీరు. అలాంటి బుక్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇది. Now what I want to tell is, e-book is one of the finest books for IIT JEE and NEET, and we are going to deal with this book in our coaching sessions. మేము కోచింగ్ ఇస్తున్నాము from June for IIT JEE and NEET, where we'll be following this book. There are a couple of other books also. This is for theory and problems, but there are other books also we will deal with, but we'll talk about these other books later. But from June we're going to start the coaching. Yeah, Monica, Krish, you can just put these questions on the WhatsApp number. You'll get the details about whatever you are asking now. All right. Okay, so from June, we're going to start the coaching for IIT JEE and NEET with a very price range, which is very affordable. మీకు బయట కాలేజెస్కి వెళ్తే మా ఫీజు చూస్తే ఇట్ ఇస్ హెల్ అండ్ హెవెన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది స్టూడెంట్స్. చాలా డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది ఫీజ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ లో. with the quality maintained very high, with finest quality subject ఉంటుంది at an affordable price. And this is for all. We are doing this with the intention of reaching many good students like the students we have got right now. We've got a very good batch of students now. So I'm going to tell you that I can guarantee, if you follow the kind of coaching we give you, we can guarantee definitely good results in IIT JEE and NEET. Students, మీకు అటెండెన్స్ ఫామ్ లింక్ ఇచ్చారు. దాంట్లో మీరు డౌట్స్ అడగొచ్చు. అటెండెన్స్ ఫామ్ ఇచ్చారు చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు లింక్ పంపించారు, మళ్ళీ పంపిస్తాము. అండ్ ద వాట్సాప్ నంబర్ ఇస్ 9642215226. 9642215226. ఓకే, లింక్ మళ్ళీ పంపిస్తాము అటెండెన్స్ ఫామ్ ది. ఆల్ రైట్, లింక్ కూడా పంపిస్తాను, పంపించారు కానీ మళ్ళీ పంపిస్తాము. Google Form link. Cyberden, just wait for 2 minutes. You will get the link again. ఆ లింక్ లో మీరు డౌట్స్ అన్ని పంపించండి. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది చూడండి, లింక్ వచ్చింది. ఆ ఫామ్ ని ఫిల్అప్ చేసి మీరు అన్ని డౌట్స్ దాంట్లో పెట్టండి. వీ విల్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు దాట్. వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు అడ్రస్ ఎవ్రీ నీడ్. CEC, yes, we will deal with all kinds of books, students. Don't worry, we will address all the subjects. CEC కూడా మాట్లాడతాము. We started with physics. We'll soon shift to math, chemistry, bio, botany, zoology, and then commerce also. Don't worry about it. But do fill up the attendance form. Yeah, we also give you coaching for CA. All right, commerce kuda, we will take care of that. We do have coaching not just for IIT and NEET, but also for CA and CCLAT. Coaching also istamu. But as of now, we started with physics. So don't think that we are confining ourselves only to physics students. Any subjects cover chestamu. Yeah, Ganeshwar, you have the form. You please fill the form. Danto doubts adagandi. We'll get back to you. Ganeshwar, okay? Is it okay? All right. Thank you, students. You can again, any questions you have got, please fill up the attendance form, and you got the WhatsApp number. We'll get back to you for all the queries you've got. We'll do address all the queries. Don't worry about it. All right. Now over to Gayatri, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sorry for the interruption. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. That was a good book review, sir. Hope students will take benefit of that. Yes, children. Just give me a second. Let me share the screen. All right. So this was where we left, wasn't it, students? All right. Let's go to the next one. Yes. Your next question is, Tinu, where have you been all these days? Asked the principal. All right. So you need to convert this direct into indirect. Right. So 4 options are given. The first option is the principal asked Tinu where he had been all those days. The second option, the principal asked Tinu where he has been all those days. Third option, the principal asked Tinu where had he been all those days. And the fourth option, the principal asked to Tinu. All right, so where was he all those days? Let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Again, I'm repeating. When after you choose the answer, read it to yourself. And then you will know, fine, whether it is correct or wrong. All right. Let's see how many are going to... Yes, Gayatri, check your answer. Navneet, I'm afraid no. Third option, yes, Ria, you're right. All right. I think, Gayatri, now you're right. Yes, now you're all coming back to the correct answers. Right. See, the correct answer is option 3. The principal asked Tinu, where had he been all those days? All right, good. See the next question. He says, I go for a walk every morning. So 4 options are given. He says that he goes for a walk every morning. Second option, he said that he used to go for a walk every morning. Third option, he said that he goes for a walk every morning. Right? And the fourth option, he says he went for a walk every morning. So, which is the correct one? The first and the third options are almost same. So, you have to choose between 3. All right. Let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Yes. All right. Ria, you're right. You just have to type only once. Right. Sankitana, Sandhya, check your answer. Veda, you're right. Nandini, you're right. Gayatri, check your answer. All right. Yes. As I told you, 1 and 3 are right. Perfect. Yes. If you'd have given me 3 also, it's same. It's actually 2 and 3 are same, isn't it? No, there's a difference between the first and the third. First one says he says, and the third one is he said that. All right. So no answers are similar. So you just have to choose the first one because he says that he goes for a walk. Because your question itself is he says, isn't it? So he says that he goes for a walk every morning. All right. See the next question. The principal said, why did not you attend the flag hoisting ceremony, Anuj? So 4 options. The principal asked Anuj, why had not he attended the flag hoisting ceremony? The second one, the principal asked Anuj why he had not attended the flag hoisting ceremony. And the third one, the principal asked Anuj why did not he attend the flag hoisting ceremony. Or the fourth option, the principal asked Anuj why he did not attend the flag hoisting ceremony. All right. So choose a correct answer between the 4, whether it is 1, 2, 3, or 4. All right, let's quickly check who's going to give me the right answer. All right, so many are giving me Nandini, Vijay, Hanish, you're right. Gayatri, you're right. Shashank, Navaneet, Pavani, all right. So the answers are really pouring. It is option 2. The principal asked Anuj why he did not attended the flag hoisting ceremony. All right, see the next question. I said to him, where have you lost the pen? I brought for you yesterday. 4 options. I asked him why he had lost the pen I had brought him yesterday. Is it right? The first option. Or I asked him where he had lost the pen I have brought for him the previous day. Or I asked him where he had lost the pen I had brought for him the previous day. See the fourth option. I asked him where had he lost the pen I had brought him the previous day. All right. So give me the correct answer. Read the sentence and then you'll be able to make the answer. All right. So let me do it for you. I asked him where he had lost the pen I had brought for him the previous day. So yesterday, when it is being converted from direct to indirect sentence, we'll change it to the previous day, isn't it? All right. See the next question. He said, has anybody been unkind to you? All right. So 4 options. He asked me if anybody had been unkind to me. He asked me, had anybody been unkind to me? He asked me if anybody had been unkind to you. Fourth option, he asked me if anybody had been unkind to him. All right, so this should be the easier one. Let's see how many are going to give me the answer. Yes, Veda, you're right. Navani, check your answer. Vaishmini, you're right. All right, so Sai Vardhan, okay. Akhilesh, Gayatri, Nandini. All right, good. So almost many are giving me the answers. So the correct option is the first one. He asked me if anybody had been unkind to me. All right, see the next question. The pilot said, please don't panic, but tighten your seat belts. 4 options. The pilot told to the passengers that they should not panic, but tighten the seat belts. The second option, the pilot told the passengers to not panic, but to tighten their seat belts instead. Third option, the pilot told the passengers not to panic, but to tighten your seat belts. Fourth option, the pilot told the passengers not to panic, but to tighten their seat belts. All right. So one small word makes the change in this. Let's see how many are. Yes, almost all are giving me the right answer. Gayatri, you're right. Navaneet, Akhilesh, Vishwant, Nandini, you're right. Yes, see the correct answer is option 4. The pilot told the passengers not to panic, but to tighten their seat belts. All right. See the next question. Rakesh says, can you prepare a cup of tea for me, Sunita? All right. So 4 options. First option, Rakesh tells Sunita to prepare a cup of tea for him. Rakesh tells Sunita if she could prepare a cup of tea for him. Rakesh asked Sunita if she can prepare a cup of tea for him. Or the fourth option, Rakesh asked Sunita if she can prepare a cup of tea for him. All right. So this also sounds simple. Let me see. The numbers are increasing. Many are giving me the right answer. Excellent. I'm not able to read all the names, children, but excellent that you all have chosen option 4 is the right answer. Excellent. It's perfect. Rakesh asked Sunita if she can prepare a cup of tea for him. All right. See the next question. I said, Father, when will you buy me a motorcycle? 4 options are given. First one, I asked my father, when will he buy me a motorcycle? Second one, I asked my father when he will buy me a motorcycle. Third one, I asked my father when would he buy me a motorcycle. Fourth option, I asked my father when he would buy me a motorcycle. All right. Yes. Pretty interesting sentence. Let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Vaishmini, Gayatri, you're right. Akhilesh, check your answer. Reshma, Pavani, Chaitanya, Veda, Ria, Malesh. All right. See, the correct option is the fourth one. I asked my father when he would buy me a motorcycle. All right. Yes, see the next question. When will I be able to vote? I asked my mother. Right. So 4 options. I asked my mother when would he be able to vote. I asked to my mother when I will be able to vote. Or third option, I asked my mother when I would be able to vote. Or I asked my mother when would I be able to vote. Right. So quickly give me your answer. Put it in the chat box. Yes. Vaishmini, you're right. Riya, you're right. Veda, check your answer. Sharan, you're right. All right. So many more. Gayatri, Bhavani, many more are giving me the right answer. I'm not able to read all the names. The correct answer is I asked my mother when I would be able to vote. Perfect. See the next question. He said to me, you are getting lazy day by day. So 4 options. The first one is, he informed me that I'm getting lazy day by day. Second option, he told me that I have been getting lazy day by day. Third option, he told me that I was getting lazy day by day. The fourth option, he told me that you were getting lazy day by day. All right. So very simple. Just read it and then you will be able to crack it. Give me the right answer. Put it in the chat box. Yes, almost all have given me the right answer as option 3. Very good. Perfect. He told me that I was getting lazy day by day. Very good, students. Excellent. See the next question. They are going to build a new airport near the old one. So 4 options. A new airport going to be built near the old one. First option. Second option, a new airport is being built near the old one. Third option, a new airport will be built near the old one. Fourth option, a new airport is going to be built near the old one. Right? The last sounds better, isn't it? Let's see now how many are going to give me the right answer. Vaishmini, you're right. Akhilesh, you're right. Shashank, you're right. All right. Almost all are giving me the right answer, which is option 4. A new airport is going to be built near the old one. Perfect. See the next question. My watch can't be repaired by anyone. The first option is no one will repair my watch. The second option, no one can repair my watch. Third option, no one can't repair my watch. Fourth option, no one will be able to repair my watch. Yes, very interesting and very easy one as well. Let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Chaitanya, you're right. Okay, Gayatri, you're right. Priya, you're right. Vaishmini, you're right. Malesh, you're right. All right. So I'm saying almost right to everyone. So let's see. The answer is No one can repair my watch. All right. See the next question. A Rosemary was moved to tears at the sight of the miserable beggar. The first option is the sight of the miserable beggar moved Rosemary to tears. Second option, the sight of the miserable beggar has moved Rosemary to tears. Third one, the sight of the miserable beggar moves Rosemary to tears. Fourth option, the sight of the miserable beggar had moved Rosemary to tears. All right. So choose the correct answer out of 4 options. Let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Navaneet, Sai Charan, Veda, Shri Sai Vardhan, you're right. Akhilesh, Malesh, Pavani. All right. Many are giving me the right answer. But the correct answer is the sight of the miserable beggar moved Rosemary to tears. All right. See the next question. Could you pass the salt? All right. So 4 options. Could the salt be passed? Could the salt be passed by anyone? Could the salt be passed? Okay. Could the salt be passed? Okay. There's no past here. All right. So now you can see which is the correct answer. Let's see how many are going to click the correct answer. Okay. Malesh, Sharan, Sai Charan, almost all are giving me the answer, but the correct answer is option 4. Could the salt be passed? All right, see the next question. The news surprised us. 4 option, we are surprised at the news. Second option, we were surprised by the news. Third option, we are surprised by the news. Fourth option, we were surprised at the news. Let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Is it option 4? Nandini, you're right. Vaishmini, you're right. I think Gayatri, you're right. Many are giving me the correct answers. I think students are getting confused between option 3 and option 4. Isn't it? So we were surprised at the news. All right. See the next question. Who asked you to draft this letter? 4 options. By whom you are asked to draft this letter. Second option. By who have you been asked to draft this letter? Third option. By whom were you asked to draft this letter? Fourth option. By whom you were asked to draft this letter. All right. So let's see. Who's going to give me the right answer? Reshma, you're right. Shalini, you're right. So almost all are giving me the right answer. I cannot read all the names. By whom were you asked to draft this letter? All right, excellent. See the next question. They created such a fuss over a trivial matter. 4 options, such a fuss is being created over a trivial matter. First option. Second option, such a fuss was created over a trivial matter. Third one, such a fuss has been created over a trivial matter. Or by them, such a fuss has been created over a trivial matter. Give me your answer fast. I want everyone to give me the answer. Active participation is very much necessary. Nandini, Navaneet, Mallesh, Vaishmini, Chaitanya, Vishwant, Gayatri. Okay, I'm very happy. It's really running. I'm not able to read all the names. The correct answer is option 2. Many of you gave me this answer. Such a fuss was created over a trivial matter. Excellent. See the next question. The lightning caused a serious forest fire and damaged many nearby houses. 4 options. A serious forest fire has been caused by lightning and many nearby houses have been damaged. Second option. A serious forest fire was caused by lightning and many houses are damaged. Third option. A serious forest fire had been caused by lightning and many nearby houses had been damaged. Fourth one. A serious forest fire was caused by lightning and many nearby houses were damaged. Yes, so I hope you can understand there's a difference just in one word, which is going to choose the correct, which is going to give you the correct option. All right, let's see. Yes, almost all are giving me option 4. Excellent. It should be the correct answer. Perfect. Yes, a serious forest fire was caused by lightning and many nearby houses were damaged. Excellent, students. See the next question. Today, I accomplished my task successfully. I want, in fact, every one of us to tell this. Hope all of our tasks are accomplished successfully. All right. So 4 options are given. Today, my task is accomplished successfully. Today, my task has been accomplished successfully. Or today, my task accomplished successfully. Or today, my task was accomplished successfully. All right. So choose the correct answer. Among the 4 options, give me the correct answer. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Oh my God, almost all are giving me the correct answer, especially towards the end of the sentence. Perfect. Yes, I don't have to mention the names. Almost all have given me the right answer. Excellent. So the correct answer is today my task was accomplished successfully. All right. Excellent, students. Perfect. So with this, we have completed revising the active and passive voice. So over to Arun sir or Chandrika ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, students. Now we shall revise chemical equations in physics. So 1 second, I'll share the screen. Yes. So all the students who did not write practice test 1, do it after the class. It has been sent in the groups, in your respective groups. So do it after the class. And today we are going to revise chemical equations in physics. So let us go for the first question. In endothermic reaction, heat is? Yes, in endothermic reaction, heat is released, not changes, absorbed, all of the above. Yes, very good. All of you are sending the option as 3. Vaishmini, just check your answer. Endothermic reaction. Yes, it is option 3, absorbed. So in endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed. Let us move to the next question. So here we are having a chemical equation. Here we are having a chemical equation. Na plus BH2O gives rise to CNaOH plus DH2O in this equation. The values of A, B, C and D are. Yes, you have to solve for this chemical equation. Second option. Okay, Vishwan, we will send again the practice test link. So many are saying it as 2, 1. Yes, we shall check the answer. Yes, it is option 2. Very good, students. Let us move to the next question. What does the symbol delta represents in a chemical equation? What does the symbol delta represents in a chemical equation? Very good. So many are giving the correct answer. Option 3. Reshma and... Yes, Reshma, please just check your answer. It is not option 1. Yes, let us see. Yes, it is heating. Option 3 is the right answer. Very good. Almost everyone have answered the correct answer. Navaneet, Rajeshwari, Shalini, Vaishali, Pavani, yes. Let us move to the next question. So the symbol delta in a chemical equation, 1 second, chemical equation represents heating. It means that the reaction is occurring in the presence of heat. Let us move to the next question. When quick climb reacts with water is the product formed when quick climb reacts with water. Yes, so many are saying it as 2. Yes, Veda 2, Sai Charan 2, Riya 2, Taruni 2, Mallesh 2, Rajeshwari 2, Reshma. Reshma, please just check your answer. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ పెట్టుకొనైనా ఆన్సర్ చేయండి పర్లేదు ఓకే అఖిలేష్ రెడ్డి గాయత్రి వేద చైతన్య వెరీ గుడ్ సో మెనీ హ్యావ్ ఆన్సర్డ్ ఇట్ as 2. Yes, it is CaOH2. So you can see here quicklime reacts with water to give calcium hydroxide. So CaO, quicklime is CaO plus H2O is the water. On reacting, it will give CaOH2, which is calcium hydroxide. It is also known as clay lime. Let us move to the next question. Which one of the following is not a product in the electrolysis of aqueous solution, aqueous NaCl? Which one of the following is not a product in the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl? Yes, so many are saying it as 2. You cannot give option as 2 or 4, any one. I'm getting different answers. We shall see. Yes, it is option 2, O2. So it is not a product in the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. So electrolysis is nothing but you know that which it is a process by which electric current is passed through a substance to affect a chemical change. Right. So the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl forms NaOH, Cl2 and H2. So the reactions involved in the process are NaCl, which is aqueous, gives rise to Na plus ion and Cl minus ion, and H2O, it gives rise to H plus OH minus. So at cathode, so we are passing a current to the aqueous NaCl. So at the cathode, 2H plus 2E minus gives rise to H2. And at anode, 2Cl minus gives rise to Cl2 plus 2E minus. ఇక్కడ G అనేది అయితే ఉందో that means it is a gaseous element. AQ అనేది aqueous element. So our reaction is 2 NaCl plus 2 H2O gives rise to 2 OH minus plus H2 plus Cl2 plus 2 Na plus. ఇది మొత్తం balanced equation and you are having arrows in both sides. That means you can get either way of the chemical equation. So therefore, oxygen is not a product of electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. మనకి ఇక్కడ oxygen అనేది form అవ్వట్లేదు. So it is not a product of electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following has highest mass? Yes, which of the following has highest mass? Yes, students, please respond. Shivarama Krishna 1. Only one answer I got. Question not visible. Man. Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes,
Arun
it is,
sir?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it is visible, ma'am.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, students, please check at your end. I'm getting 2 different answers, 1 and 4. We shall check. Yes, it is option 4. So 1 mole H2O has highest mass. Yes, students, please check at your end. Please check at your end. Chaitanya and Sai Charan, please check at your end. So 1 mole of H2O has highest mass because 1 mole of water is equals to 18 grams water, which means 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of water. So and 1 gram of water is equals to 1 milliliter of H2O. So that's why 1 mole of H2O has highest mass. Let us move to the next question. So when the equation Na plus H2O gives rise to NaOH plus H2 is balanced, what is the coefficient for Na? So equation ni మనం బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తే కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఫర్ సోడియం ఏమొస్తుంది? So many are saying it as 1. Yes, we shall check. Sorry. Yes. Yes, it is option 1, that is 2. So let us see how. So you know the balancing equations, right? So Na it వచ్చేసి మనకు ఒకటే ఉంది on the LHS and RHS Na is 1 and hydrogen molecules are 2. Oxygen molecule is 1 on LHS and on the RHS oxygen molecule is 1 and hydrogen molecules are 3. Right. So to balance this on LHS, మనకి LHS లోనేమో hydrogen molecules 2 ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడేమో hydrogen molecules 3 ఉన్నాయి. Right. So to make it to make it balance. So you have to if you add 2 over here. Sorry. Okay, then you are getting 4 hydrogen molecules. But here only 3. So again let us add 2. Then you are getting 6 hydrogen molecules. But Na is also turned into 2. So Na ikkada balance cheyadaniki again you are adding 2. So again you have to add 2 hydrogen molecules. So if you see here in this way, you can balance this Na is 2 and now here also you are having Na2. మనం ఈ H ని బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయడంలో మనకి ఇక్కడ సోడియం అనేది 2 molecules అనేవి వస్తాయి. Let us move to the next question. So you can see here. Let us move to the next question. The chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed is called. The chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed is called. Yes, very good. All of you are saying it as endothermic. Yes. 1 second, students. Yes, it is endothermic reaction. The chemical reaction which proceeds by absorbing heat energy is known as endothermic reaction. Almost everyone have answered it as 3. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following equation is not which of the following equations is not balanced? Yes, so many are saying it as 4. Let us see. Just 1 second, students. Yes, it is option 4. N2 plus O2 gives rise to NO is not balanced. So the balanced chemical equation for this N2 plus O2 gives rise to 2NO. Let us move to the next question. 1 mole of propane C3H8 on combustion given X kilojoules at STP, that is standard temperature and pressure. Heat liberated by the combustion of 11.2 liters of propane at STP in kilojoules is. Let us see. Please check at your end, Vaishali. Question is not changing. Sir, did my question change? Yes, 1 second, students. I'll share it again. I'll share it again. We are at this question. Yes. Yes? Is it okay now, students?
Ma'am, your presentation is not visible. It's not on the screen.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. Now, is it visible, sir?
Yes, it is, ma'am.
Yes.
Perfect.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, students? Yes, students, please now check it. Is it visible, students? Yes. Okay. So 1 mole of propane C3H8 on combustion given X kilojoules at STP. Heat liberated by the combustion of 11.2 liters of propane at STP in kilojoules is. So what is the answer? Yes, please make it fast, students. Yes, I'm getting different answers. Gayatri 2, Mallesh 3, Rajeshwari 2. Excuse me. Saivardhan 4, Vaishali Rathod 3, Gayatri X by 2. Yes. Yes. So the correct option is option 2, that is X by 2. So let us see how. So 1 mole at STP is 22.4 liters. That is 22.4 liters is equals to 1 mole. So then 1 liter is equals to 1 by 22.4 moles. So 11.2 liters is equals to 1 by 22.4 into 11.2 moles. So 11.2 liters is equals to 1 by 2 moles. So given that 1 mole of propane is equal to X kilojoules. So half moles appudu, it is X by 2 kilojoules. So option 2 is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following metals liberates hydrogen gas when reacted with dilute HCl? Which of the following metals liberates hydrogen gas when reacted with dilute HCl? Yes, so many are saying it as option 2, zinc. Yes, we shall see. We shall see the answer. Yes, it is option 2, that is zinc. So the metals which are placed below H atoms such as copper, silver, gold and platinum in electrochemical series will not react with dilute acids. They cannot dilute HCl. It gives less hydrogen gas. Cu plus dilute HCl gives no reaction. Au plus dilute HCl gives no reaction. So he asked metals liberates hydrogen gas when reacted with dilute HCl. So the only option is zinc. Let us move to the next question. Quicklime plus water gives rise to X. So what is it? Actually, we have seen this. Sir, is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Yes, Vaishali, please. No. Yes, please check at your end, students. Can you please check at your end, students? Okay. So let us see. Yes, it is option 3, that is CaOH2. Let us move to the next question. So this we have seen the first question also. So CaO, which is quicklime, plus H2O gives rise to CaOH2, quick water lime. Okay, this is CaOS, quicklime plus water. Okay, let us move to the next question. So which of the following is not a correct symbol for expressing characteristics of substance in a chemical reaction? మన కెమికల్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఒక్కొక్క సబ్స్టెన్స్ ఎట్లాంటి ఫిజికల్ స్టేట్ లో ఉంది అనేది కింద ఇండికేట్ చేస్తాం. సో విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ద కరెక్ట్ సింబల్ ఫర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెసింగ్ క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ ఆఫ్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ ఇన్ ఎ కెమికల్ ఈక్వేషన్? Right, very good. Yes, so many are saying it as 4. Precipitate, yes. So let us see. Yes, it is option 4, absolutely correct. That is P for precipitate. So precipitate ఎప్పుడు డౌన్ ఆరోతో ఇండికేట్ చేస్తాం అంతే. We will not write any alphabet. So in the below, next question, in the below equation, the values of X and Y are. So again, you have to balance the equation. In the below equation, the values of X and Y are. Yes, so many are saying it as 1 and 2. Please do it. You are giving different answers. చేసి చెప్పండి. Yes, we shall see. Yes, it is option 2. That is 5, 3. Very good. So let us see. C3H8 plus XO2 gives rise to YCO2 plus 4H2O. This is our reaction. So balance carbon and hydrogen atoms on both sides. So then you will be getting 3CO2 plus 4H2O on the product side. So balance, now you have to balance oxygen atoms. So carbon, hydrogen balance, only we are left with oxygen atoms. So 5 in the place of X, if you put 5, then the oxygen is having 10 atoms on the reactants and also 10 atoms on the product side. So it is C3H8 plus 5O2 gives rise to 3CO2 plus 4H2O. So X is equals to 5 and Y is equals to 3. Let us move to the next question. What is the ratio of number of moles of H2 to H2O in the balanced equation of this reaction? So what is the ratio of number of moles of H2 to H2O in the balanced equation of this reaction? Yes, some are saying it as 2:1 and some are saying it as 1:1. Yes, we shall check the key. Yes, it is option 1. So given equation is H2 plus O2 gives rise to H2O. Coming to the balanced equation, 2H2 plus O2 gives rise to 2H2O. So number of moles of H2. Here is asking the ratio of number of moles of H2 to H2O. So number of moles of H2 is equals to 1 and number of moles of H2O is equals to 2. So 2 is to 2, which is equals to 1 is to 1. So you can see here the balanced equation is 2H2 plus O2 gives rise to 2H2O. So H2 moles వచ్చేసి 2. H2O moles వచ్చేసి అవి కూడా 2. So 2 is to 2, which is 1 is to 1. Let us move to the next question. The precipitate formed when silver nitrate solution reacts with sodium chloride solution. Yes. Make it fast. The precipitate formed when silver nitrate solution reacts with sodium chloride. Yes, so many are saying it as 2. Navaneet and Mitra Tej, please check your answer. Yes, let us move to the key. Yes, it is option 2, that is AgCl. Very good. So here is the explanation. So silver nitrate solution reacts with sodium chloride. So silver nitrate is AgNO3 plus NaCl gives rise to AgCl, which is a precipitate indicated with down arrow, plus NaNO3. So the precipitate formed during the above reaction is AgCl. Let us move to the next question. The atomic mass of sodium is. If you know the periodic table, you can say it easily. Yes, the atomic mass of sodium is. Yes, make it fast. We do. Okay, 23. Yes. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, very good. Please check at your end if you have any problem. Yes, it is 23U. The atomic mass of sodium is 23. Let us move to the next question. Gases evolved when sodium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid. Gases evolved when sodium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid. Yes. Okay. We shall see. So many are saying it as 4 and 3. We shall see the key. It is carbon dioxide. So sodium carbonate, which is Na2CO3, reacts with hydrochloric acid plus HCl, gives rise to 2NaCl plus H2 plus CO2. So pine chupisamante, it is evolved, right? So the gas evolved in the above reaction is carbon dioxide. Let us move to the next one. The chemical formula of bleaching powder is. The chemical formula of bleaching powder is. Yes, so many are saying it as 1. Very good. CaOCl2. Very good, very good. Navaneet, Gayatri, Kumari, Bhavani, Pavani, Mitrateja, Shivaramakrishna, Akhilesh Reddy, Mallesh, Riya, Sai Charan, Shalini. Very good students. Vaishali. Yes, it is option 1, that is CaOCl2. Let us move to the next one. NaCl plus AgNO3 gives rise to AgCl. Precipitate plus NaNO3 is an example for. So this is an example for which type of reaction? Is it just a chemical combination? Okay, Korra Shivaramakrishna. Yes, 4 double displacement reaction. Very good. Pavani, please check your answer. It is not only displacement reaction. Yes, very good. Very good. Vaishali, check your answer. Yes, very good students. Very good. Yes, it is option 4, which is double displacement reaction. Let us move to the next question. Sorry, I have revealed the answer. Let us move to the next question. The spoilage of food can be prevented by adding preservatives like. So Mallesh, how can we say? So double displacement reaction is, it occurs when a part of two ionic compounds is exchanged and make two new components. When two ionic compounds lo exchange ayi two kotta new components form avute dani double displacement reaction antamu. Yes, so many are saying it as 3 for the present question. The spoilage of food can be prevented by adding preservatives like. Yes, it is option 3, that is vitamin C and vitamin E only. Let us move to the next one. C6H12O6 gives rise to XC2H5OH plus YCO2. In this balanced equation, the XY values respectively are. Yes, please balance the equation. So, what are the XY values? Yes, we shall check within few seconds. Yes, it is option 4. Very good. So many have said the option 4. Kumari, Vaishali, Mallesh, Ramakrishna. Very good. So it is 2, 2. So given equation is C6H12O6 gives rise to XC2H5OH plus YCO2. So the balance equation is C6H12O6 gives rise to 2C2H5OH plus 2CO2. ఇక్కడ H మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా గమనించాలి ఎన్ని కాంపౌండ్స్ ఉన్నాయని చెప్పి. Let us move to the next one. So which of the following solutions converts blue litmus paper to red? HCl, KOH, NaOH, Na2CO3. Which solution converts blue litmus paper to red? So many are saying it as 1. Yes, it is option 1, that is HCl. An acid turns a blue litmus, an acid turns a blue litmus paper to red. From the given options, only HCl is the acid which converts blue litmus paper to red litmus. Yes, only litmus to red litmus. Red litmus to blue litmus. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following reaction is exothermic reaction? Blue to red litmus, blue litmus, red litmus ki convert avute. That is, the solution is acidic in nature. Intaku mundu ichina dantlo only first option is acid, all other not acids. So that's why only HCl is the solution that converts blue litmus paper to red. So which of the following reaction is exothermic reaction? Yes, it is option. It is option 1, that is C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. So C plus O2 gives rise to CO2 is a exothermic reaction. Yes, so many have answered it as 1. Very good. Shalini, Gayatri, Sai Charan, Shivaramakrishna. Well, let us move to the next question. Gram molar volume is equal to. Gram molar volume is equal to. Yes, it is a theoretical question. Please make it fast. Yes, it is option 3, that is 22.4 liters. So gram molar volume is equal to the volume occupied by 1 mole of a substance, which is equal to 22.4 liters. Let us move to the next question. In reaction, Na plus H2O gives rise to NaOH plus H2. How many moles of Na and H2O react together to form NaOH and H2? In the reaction, Na plus H2O gives rise to NaOH plus H2. How many moles of Na and H2O react together to form NaOH and H2? Yes? You have to balance it and then give the answer. Don't do blindly. Yes, so many are saying it as 1. Let us see. Yes, it is option 2. Sorry, option 1, that is 2 comma 2. So first me balance cheyali. Right. So 2 Na plus 2 H2O gives rise to 2 NaOH plus H2. So any moles of Na and H2O, it is 2 moles of Na and 2 moles of H2O. Let us move to the next question. Match the following. Yes. Match the following. Observe the options carefully. A is Zn plus 2 AgNO3 gives rise to Zn NO3 NO3 whole base 2 plus 2 Ag. And the option given is decomposition reaction. Next, another reaction you are having chemical equation. Observe the chemical equations and match it. So the second one, option B, you can see it is a double displacement reaction. Already choose something. Right. Yes, so many are saying it as 2, 1. Different answers I am getting. Let me check. Yes, it is option 1. So A equation is displacement reaction. B equation is already I have said it is a double displacement reaction. Option C, which is a first one, that is decomposition reaction. Splitting, right? Okate on the reactant side, but product to the split ayi. So it is decomposition reaction. Option D, it is 2. That is combination reaction. Let us move to the next question. So Fe2O3 plus Al gives rise to Al2O3 plus 2Fe. In this reaction, which statement is correct? Yes, I'm getting different answers. Yes, it is option 3, that is Al is oxidized. So Fe2O3 plus Al gives rise to Al2O3 plus 2Fe. In this reaction, Al is oxidized. So with this, we have done some part of chemical equations. Now I would like to hand over to Arun sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir.
Students, I've got an announcement. Students, one of our students, from Miranda students, we have got very good bunch of students. One of our students, Taslima from Vanaparthi district, has got selected in TSWR COA exam students. So huge round of applause for her. Excellent performance. And more importantly, she found our classes free coaching very helpful. మనం చేసిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మన ప్రాక్టీస్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ క్లాస్ లో చేసిన సెషన్ లో చేసిన అటెంప్ట్ చేసిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చాలా యూజ్ వచ్చాయి. దట్ వర్ ఆల్ వెరీ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ హర్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జామ్ టు క్రాక్ ది ఎగ్జామ్. సో ఐ రియలీ అప్రిషియేట్ వెరీ గుడ్ Taslima for your performance in TSWR CO exam from Vanaparthi district. Taslima from Vanaparthi district. Students, there is yet another thing, students. ఇప్పుడు మీరు పాలిసెట్ రాస్తున్నారు, టీఎస్ఆర్టీసీ అయిపోయింది. చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఏమనుకుంటున్నారంటే టీఎస్ఆర్టీసీ బాగా రాసాము, పాలిసెట్ అవసరం లేదు. అలా అనుకోకండి స్టూడెంట్స్. దట్స్ నాట్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్, దట్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఓవర్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్. ఒకవేళ టీఎస్ఆర్టీసీలో రాకుంటుంటే మరి ఏం చేస్తారు? మనకు ఆప్షన్ ఉండాలి కదా చేతిలో. సో పాలిసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ అప్లై చేయండి. పాలిసెట్ అప్లై చేశాక దట్ హ్యాస్ గాట్ లాట్ మెనీ అడ్వాంటేజెస్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఒకటి ఏమో ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి చేతిలో, ఒకటి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వస్తుంది. టీఎస్ఆర్టీసీలో వచ్చేస్తే వెరీ గుడ్. బట్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఆల్, God forbid, you don't get into TSRJC, you will have an option in your hand. So don't do that. You still have time to apply for Polycet exam. Do apply. All right. So Cyberthan, any query you have got, please message to WhatsApp number. You'll get response from there. WhatsApp number is 9642215226. Students, Polycet ki inka time undi, and last date for that is 28th of April. Apply చేసేయండి. ఎవరెవరు చేయలేదు డెఫినెట్లీ చేయండి. Cyber, the number is 96422152226. The number is 96422152226. All right. Any query, please WhatsApp to that number. We'll get back to you. For sure, we'll get back to you. Our team is working on that. The A query, we'll address to those, all the queries. Don't worry about it. And we've got yet another student, Shivramakrishna. Kora Shivramakrishna has secured 4th rank. That's staggering performance. Excellent, Shivramakrishna. So Taslima and Shivramakrishna, excellent students. We should really appreciate such performance. 4th rank is not a joke. And he also has. మీరు కూడా మీ రిజల్ట్ ని ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయండి, వాట్సాప్ లో చేసేయండి మీ రిజల్ట్ ఎలా వచ్చిందని, సో దట్ we will know, get to know our where you stand. WhatsApp number is the same number, 96422152226. అటెండెన్స్ ఫామ్ ఫిల్ చేశారనుకుంటున్నాను. చేయలేదంటే చేసేయండి. We'll again put the link again if you want. క్వెరీస్ అన్ని దాంట్లో పెట్టొచ్చు, మీరు మీ డౌట్స్ అన్ని దాంట్లో పెట్టొచ్చు, అడగొచ్చు. All right. Any other query you've got, please WhatsApp to the number 96422152226. The other is you have got a Google attendance form. Fill that form and we'll get back to you. That's the form link, students. ఇప్పుడే వచ్చింది మీకు లింక్ పెట్టారు. Do fill the form. We'll get to know each other well. మీ డౌట్స్ మాకు తెలుస్తాయి, so that we can better design our sessions to cater to your needs. మీ need ని ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేయడానికి మేము అలా డిజైన్ చేయొచ్చు సెషన్స్. All right, students, see you tomorrow at the same time. Please join at 7:25 itself. We'll start by 7:30.